This is Dr. Morey with Uncivilized Vitality, and today is a quick video about another use for your fast rope that you can carry around with you all the time, a barrel or bucket sling. So some way, this is one of our, just a cooking pot. Let's say we didn't have these handles, or I had a Home Depot bucket or some other bucket, or even a rock or something I wanted to carry with a partner, and I didn't have these handles. So I'm gonna resituate the camera and show you how to use your fast rope that you always have with you to make a barrel or bucket sling. We're going to take one end of my loop and make a little turn. You don't want to make this one too big, just a little bit there. Set your bucket right on that X. Bring the other side over and around the bucket and under. Keeping those two loops, those two bites, as I bring that up and back over my barrel. So it's laid out like that, and this is what it'll look like without my barrel. So I have the X matching on this side, and what I'm going to do is where my barrel's at, sitting on that X, I'm going to pass this under and lift up on both sides. All right? I'm going to pass that under, lift up on both sides until the rope starts to snug up on my barrel, and then you can lift that barrel sling right up. On the bottom of your barrel, you have that X where the rope crosses, and at four corners of the barrel, you have this little turning half hitch. Oh, there it is right there. On that side, 2, 3, 4, and they're going to support the barrel from below with that turning half hitch where it intersects on the bottom as an X. And then you've got two handles at the top that you can lift that up, your barrel sling. Hopefully that showed up well on the video. Okay, so that's a way to use your fast rope to make a barrel or bucket sling. If you're interested in carrying a bucket or a barrel that doesn't have any handles, or maybe the bail on your bucket is broken off, you can use your fast rope, which you should always have with you, to quickly fashion a barrel sling and get a partner to help you carry things. If you're interested in more uses of the fast rope, daily uses beyond just simple knots and loops and bends and bites and binds, did I say bites? Binds. Let me know in the comments below, and I've got several uses for the fast rope, little knots and everyday tactics and tricks you can find a use for this. Like, share, subscribe, share the channel, leave us a thumbs up, buy me a coffee, and that's it for this one.